Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Recipe for today: some ackee, dumpling, and pork one pot recipe. It's a recipe are eatable, tasteable. Guys, please like and share to the pork there. Starting by washing with some vinegar cut up already. Some running water, wash it out with some vinegar, peeps. This is the right way to wash the meat with vinegar. Yes, my peeps. So the pork cut up and nice and thingless is seasoned. Add some seasoning to it, my peeps. You can see. I got some green season, some garlic, pepper, thyme, scallion, and ginger, peeps. So we're going to rub it in, add some more powder season to it, yeah, make it flavorful and nice, peeps. Please make the pork cook first before you put the ackee in it, right? So we're going to show step by step, my peeps. So we cover down that, go and stay for 3 hours, yes, my peeps. That's about an and thing now. So it's gonna have some sugar there burn this, so some garlic and things. So I'm going to add the pork. Remember, one pot recipe. Pork and ackee and dumplings. So I'm going to start stir fry the pork for 20 minutes, peeps. I want to catch color and flavorful. Yes, my peeps. It's a recipe are eatable, tasteable. Remember, lumberjack I represent, guys. 7 time rise, 7 time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. You got a sexy body girl, and you got a true warrior. You got Father God first and everything. Peeps. And that update again to me like to put it on steam fry. Yeah. And that update again to you see pork colorful and pretty. That's when I stir it up again. Go and get some more color. Yes, my peeps. I'm going to add some green season to it and water. Yes, peeps. That go and cook it until it gets soft. So I'm going to show it step by step, my peeps. Yes. Another update again for the pork, my peeps. Yeah, so I go on there. So I put some ketchup to give it some flavor and some taste. Alright, peeps. Guys, it's a recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See pork cook and soft and peeps. Remember, cook the pork first. Make it get soft, right? So I'm going to start add the dumpling to the pork now and thing. Yeah, see dumpling I go to the pork now and thing, peeps. Now that update some big dumpling. We know say I can't tell peeps, right? I know say we're not gonna say all lumberjack cream, but peeps, food a stuff of life, right? Yeah, so see it cook and thing down, it cook simmer down and thing, my peeps. Make it go and simmer down. Cause caramel dumpling must be cook good now, peeps. You must be cook the proper way, because raw caramel is swelling in your belly. Yeah, my peeps, now that update and thing there. Yeah. So I'm going to pot on go and cook some. I stir it up. I do have a stir pot and thing the peeps, so I don't want it to stick up and burn up. So that go and cook again. So the update again the peeps, yeah. But a simmer down and look presentation and eatable and tasteable, peeps. The recipe is nice. It's ackee there last in put night, because I know say dumpling cook and pork cook now. So I'm just put the ackee go and simmer down, peeps, right? Peeps, you can cook any recipe if you want food. Yeah, remember say you have ackee, you know, and canned pork, you know, peeps. Is it? Yeah. But you know, say one pot recipe. It's a recipe and nice. I just normal food I cook, see my peeps. I just creative. May I say? Yeah, fashion over style. Yeah. Peeps, I don't tell you it's a recipe are tasteable, eatable. So I try the recipe and text me and tell me about the recipe, peeps, right? I can comment on the video. See recipe there soon ready, and you know, say I want 2, 3, 4 minutes left in night. So please remember to like and share. Remember to subscribe, you know, peeps. Subscribe, Jamaican cooking it, lumberjack. Peeps, please like and share. It's a recipe are tasteable, eatable, delicious. See presentation, see pork, see ackee, see dumpling there. I don't peeps, they are hungry mouth, run water, finger licking, delicious, eatable. Peeps, eh? Left back some for later. You see it, now eat everything one time. So me eat and done the peeps. Tell us right on belly, full belly, a bus. Next present.